Guys, good morning. This is Captain E3E once again with an aircraft review. Just the day right after Christmas, I have this aircraft right here. This is the Airbus A300-600 ST or Beluga. Airbus is a major consortium in Toulouse, France, with a number of sites in England, Spain, Italy, and Germany that manufactures Airbus's aircraft. Airbus was formed in 1964. The first flight of the Airbus A300 was in 1970. The first of them were delivered to Air France, and a whole generation of commercial airliners from the A300 right down to the Airbus A350. Alright, I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the cockpit and the cockpit windshield wipers. And you might notice something a little bit different about the A300-600 due to its bulbous body. Here, they place sections of aircraft in the fuselage of the aircraft. The Airbus A300-600 ST is powered by two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines with a top speed around about 600 miles per hour at level flight and cruising altitude about at 35,000 feet. I'll give you a tour of the cockpit right now. You have the cockpit windshield wiper, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. I'll take you along the aircraft. There is no L1 door on this aircraft. The Airbus tiles, Airbus tile and Beluga, one of its Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, come along the leading edges of the wings of the A300-600. And the registration F-GSTA. Or Foxtrot Golf Sierra Tango November on this aircraft. And down to the tail and the tail planes. Now, there are lights when this aircraft is in flight. The APU system. Come on, the horizontal stabilizers and the tail, and the registration of this aircraft, Beluga, the leading edges, Airbus, and right along the starboard side of the Airbus A300-600 ST. There are only about a few Airbus A300-600s that are still flying. There are no A300-600s that are flying today, commercially. All of them were retired from active use. American Airlines in 2009, Lufthansa, and Air France did away with their Airbus A300-600s, and it was an A300-600, which was American Airlines Flight 587 from New York John F. Kennedy on its way to Santo Domingo when the Airbus A300 lost both engines. Both engines fell off, and the aircraft had crashed into a residential section of Far Rockaway in Queens, New York. Everyone on board, including 6 people on the 6 people on the ground, had died in this horrific accident. Well, that's it for this review.